Mr. K. Chandrakumara. Mr. Chandrakumara has a Bachelor of Science degree in Civil Engineering and a Master of Engineering degree in Highway and Traffic Engineering, both obtained from the University of Moratuva. Furthermore, he is a chartered engineer and a member of the Institute of Engineers in Sri Lanka. Currently, Mr. Chandrakumara is serving as the Director of Infrastructure, Road Safety and Traffic Management Division at the Road Development Authority, Sri Lanka. Yes, Mr. Chandrakumara, this is over to you for your presentation.
Mr. Chandrakumara, you are given 15 minutes.
Mr. Chandrakumara, he will be talking about key elements of safe road infrastructure and road safety interventions. The fundamental elements of safe road infrastructure include road design, signage, lighting, road furniture, and traffic management.
Good afternoon. Honorable Chairman of the International Conference of Intellectual and the Honorable Secretary, esteemed researchers and experts, ladies and gentlemen, and the panel chairpersons. I am Chandrakumara, as explained by Dr. Samita from Road Development Authority. I stand before you today honored to address this distinguished gathering of the inaugural International Conference of Interpretation Sri Lanka. But before proceeding to, I would like to congratulate the Ministry of Health and the organizing committee of the ICIP Sri Lanka for initiative taken to organize this valuable conference. I consider myself as privileged to address this conference under the topic Key Element of Safer Road Infrastructure and Corresponding Road Safety Intervention. And through my presentation, I intend to share our experience and good practices of road safety, adhered by the Road Development Authority as the National Road Infrastructure Provider of Sri Lanka. Key element of safer road infrastructure and corresponding road safety intervention. Outline of my presentation. Summary of the road network of Sri Lanka. Duties and action taken by the Infrastructure, Road Safety and Traffic Management Division of RDA. Identification of main causes for the road accidents. Actions taken by the Road Development Authority to prevent the accidents. Practical and most soluble effective solutions. First of all, summary of road network. As you are aware, there are several organizations managing the roads, especially Road Development Authority. We are having 12,568 km length, and Provincial Road Development Authority is also having 18,000 something. Local authorities, urban councils, Pradesh Sabha, municipal council, they are also having 81,321 km length, and other agencies, Mahavali Authority, CB, like that organization also having 4,000, all together in Sri Lanka, 116,000 km length is there. The summary of duties of our division, IRSTM division. Now, our main aim is Infrastructure, Road Safety and Traffic Management Division has been established to find the effective and sustainable, feasible solution of these issues. As explained by the senior DIG, that road accidents, statistics already explained. I am not going to take much time for that. Identification of main causes of the accidents. As explained by the co-chair gentleman, driver's misbehavior is the first one, as according to the statistics records, accident records recorded by the Sri Lanka police. Carelessness regarding traffic signs and road marking, high-speed vehicle driving, mechanical fault of vehicle, pedestrian carelessness. Not only the drivers, pedestrians also have responsibilities. Their carelessness also will cause further accidents. Defects on road surfaces, existing geometry of road, weather condition. Up to now, Road Development Authority also provided some actions to prevent the road accidents, providing traffic signs and road marking. I am proud to say that Road Development Authority already provided for that their national road, 12,000 km length, all road marking and road signs in regular manner and maintaining well through our executive engineers in Sri Lanka, in every district and provinces. And traffic demand management, road network improvement, conducting road safety assessment programs, hazardous location improvement, identified hazardous location improvement also done in the ground level by the Road Development Authority, pedestrian safety improvement, roadside infrastructure development, conducting awareness program for the RDA officers and the other relevant organization officers for that. And legal framework. That is the gazette we are following for that, providing the road signs and marking. That gazette 2015 November published. According to that one, we are providing all national roads that road sign and marking to make the safer road and to facilitate the drivers to manage their trips. Traffic signs. Under that traffic signs, there are danger warning signs, regulatory signs, miscellaneous signs, other signs for drivers, and also advanced direction signboards. That regulatory signs are already divided into 4 categories, as you very familiar those things: prohibited signs, restrictive signs, mandatory signs, and priority signs. And road marking, we also provided to manage the traffic in Sri Lanka, that traffic light signal location, 184 locations. I think my time is passing. I should take another 4 minutes because to prepare that it takes already. To assess the road safety, we are using Hawkeye software and the VIDA software to assess the road safety issues, and taking the computer program, we are inputting the condition of the road, and we will get the results in the systematic way to identify the hazardous location. I think time is not there to explain everything, and these are the software output coming for the after input how roads became more star class roads. So not only that, RD already identified some locations, the hazardous location, and giving the suitable ground level solution to make the more safer roads. Nighttime visibility in the hazardous locations, and pedestrians and vehicle segregation near school zones, and replacing with safety bollard for to guide the drivers their path, providing refugee island for the pedestrians in the 4-lane roads. That is very practical solution. And the staggered pedestrian crossings for the safer road crossing of the pedestrians, and nighttime visibility, illumination of pedestrian crossings also And for the more demand location, providing underpass and overpass pedestrian crossings, center medium endpoint treatment, nighttime visibility, especially very useful for the nighttime to divert, to identify the driver, their vehicle path and their traveling path. Flexible fixing reflective bollard along the center medium to guide the traffic lane. And the chevron sign, it is very important, but simple thing, but very important to guide the and aware the driver the hazardous sharp bends. And speed breakers also we are providing for the, especially for the pedestrian crossings location and the whatever the unsafe locations to reduce the driver's speed. And there are another warning signs, especially one accident, several accidents are happening in Radalla area, Radalla bypass, that we already provided that type of signboards, and the other locations also in the expressways, and especially for the elephant crossing locations, we are providing that signboards for the drivers for their awareness. Okay. Legal framework also we are providing, especially we are contribute for the gazette preparation and the speed limit gazette preparation and those things. Actually, with the restricted time, I have to stop that one. Thank you very much for giving the chance to address you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. from Local Authority. The next speaker, the introduction of the next speaker will be done by Senior DIG, Mr. Over to you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, our next speaker is Professor Mark Stevenson. Professor Mark Stevenson is an epidemiologist.